Lily, Lily, wake up. It's time to wake up. 5 more minutes, Mom. I'm so sleepy. No, no. Come on. It's 7 o'clock. Time to get up. Okay. I'm getting up. I'm up. Good morning, Lily. Did you sleep well? Yes, Mom. I slept very well. I had a nice dream. That's good. Now go wash your face and brush your teeth. Okay, Mom, I'm going. And don't forget, comb your hair too. I won't forget. I do it every day, Mom. I know. Good girl. Now hurry up. Breakfast is almost ready. Mom, what are you making? It smells so good in here. I'm making eggs and toast. Do you want eggs today? Yes, please. I love eggs. Can I help you, Mom? Of course. Can you put the bread in the toaster, please? Sure, I can do that. Here you go. I put the bread in. Good job. Now, do you want milk or juice today? I want orange juice, please. Orange juice, okay. Can you get the juice from the fridge? Yes, I'll get it. Here it is. Should I pour it in a glass? Yes, please. And be careful. Don't spill it. I'm being very careful, Mom. Look, I did it. I didn't spill anything. Perfect. You are a great helper, Lily. Thank you, Mom. I like helping you in the kitchen. Mom, where's my school bag? It's by the front door, Lily. Did you pack everything? I think so. Let me check. Books, yes. Pencil case, yes. What about your lunchbox? Did you put your lunchbox in? Oh no, I forgot my lunchbox. Where is it? It's on the kitchen table. I packed your lunch already. Thank you, Mom. What's in my lunch today? A sandwich, an apple, and some juice. Your favorite. Yay, I love sandwiches. Okay, I'm ready now. I have everything. Good. Let me look at you. Okay, your shirt is clean. Your shoes are on the right feet. Mom, of course my shoes are on the right feet. Okay. You look great. Time to go. Don't be late. Mom, I'm home. Welcome home, Lily. How was school today? It was great. We learned about animals. I love animals. That's wonderful. Are you hungry? Yes, very hungry. What are you making? I'm making soup for dinner. Do you want to help me? Yes, I love helping. What should I do? Can you wash these vegetables for me? These carrots and potatoes? Sure, I can do that. Should I wash them in the sink? Yes, please. Wash them very well. Okay, I'm washing them now. Mom, these carrots are very orange. So pretty. Yes, they are. Carrots are also very healthy. They are good for your eyes. Really? Then I want to eat a lot of carrots. I want good eyes. Good girl. All done? Thank you, Lily. You are a very good helper.
Lily, what happened in here? Your room is very messy today.
I was playing, Dad. I was playing with all my toys.
I can see that. There are toys everywhere. On the floor, on the bed, everywhere.
Hee Sorry, Dad.
It's okay. But now it's time to clean up. Let's clean your room together.
Together? Okay, that's more fun.
Let's start with the toys on the floor. Can you put your blocks in the red box?
Yes, red box for the blocks. Got it.
And your dolls go on the shelf. Do you remember?
Yes, on the shelf. I know. Look, Dad, I'm putting them on the shelf right now.
Great job! And the books go on the bookshelf.
I'll do the books. I love putting books in order.
Okay, and I will make the bed nice and clean.
Wow, Dad, look, the room is clean now. It looks so nice.
It really does. You did a great job, Lily. High five.
High five, Dad. Let's keep it clean, always.
Lily, let's help Mom. Let's set the table for dinner.
Okay, Dad, I love setting the table. What do I need?
First, we need the plates. Can you get 3 plates from the cupboard?
3 plates. One for Mom, one for Dad, one for me. Here they are.
Perfect. Now put one plate at each chair.
Done. What's next?
Now we need the forks and spoons. They're in the drawer.
I know where the drawer is. I'll get them.
The fork goes on the left side of the plate. The spoon goes on the right.
Left is the fork, right is the spoon. Okay, like this?
Exactly like that. Great job. Now, can you put the glasses on the table too?
Yes. Should I pour the water?
That would be wonderful, but be careful with the water jug. It's heavy.
I'll be very careful. Look, Dad. All done. The table looks so beautiful.
It really does. Mom will be so happy. Good job, Lily.
Dad, can we go outside? Can we play in the garden?
Sure, it's a beautiful evening. Let's go outside.
Yay! I love the garden. Look at the flowers, Dad. They're so pretty.
They really are. The red ones are my favorite.
I like the yellow ones. They look like little suns.
That's right. They do look like little suns. What do you want to do?
Can we play catch? I want to throw the ball.
Of course. Go get the ball. It's near the front door.
Got it. Here, Dad. Catch. Oh, great catch.
Good throw, Lily. Here, catch this one.
I got it. I'm getting better at catching, right?
You are getting much better. You practice every day. Practice makes perfect.
Practice makes perfect. I'll remember that. Let's play more, Dad. Dad, are you tired today?
Yes, Lily. I'm a little tired today. It was a long day at work.
Poor Dad. Should I get you some water?
That would be wonderful. Thank you, Lily.
Here you go, Dad. Nice, cold water.
Thank you. You are so kind, Lily.
Dad, what do you do at work? What is your job?
I work at an office. I use a computer a lot. I write emails and go to meetings.
That sounds hard. Do you like your job?
Yes, I do. I like my job. But my favorite part of the day is coming home.
Really? Why?
Because I get to see you and Mom. That's the best part.
Aw, Dad, that's so sweet. I'm happy when you come home, too.
You make me feel so much better, Lily. Thank you.
Okay, Lily, time for bed. Are you ready for your bedtime story?
Yes, I've been waiting all day for the story. What book is it tonight?
Tonight's book is called The Little Star. It's a beautiful story.
The Little Star. I love that story. Please read it slowly, Mom.
Of course. Now, close your eyes and listen. Are you comfortable?
Yes, my pillow is soft and my blanket is warm. I'm very comfortable.
Good. Okay. Once upon a time, there was a little star in the sky.
Mom, can I ask one thing?
Yes, Lily. What is it? Are we real stars too, like the little star in the book? I think you are a real star, Lily. You make everything bright and warm. Aw, Mom, you make everything bright and warm too. Okay, close your eyes now. Let me finish the story.
Okay, Mom. I love you.
I love you too, sweetheart. Now sleep tight.
Mom, I have a lot of homework today. I don't know where to start.
Okay, let's look at it together. What subjects do you have?
I have math and English. Math is hard for me today.
Math is hard? Let me see. Oh, these are addition problems. Can you try the first one? Okay, 5 plus 3 is 8? That's right. See? You can do it. You just need to try.
Oh, I got it right. Okay, let me try the next one.
Good girl. Take your time. There's no hurry.
Mom, what about the English homework? I need to write 5 sentences.
That's easy for you. You speak English every day. Just write about your day.
Oh, good idea. I'll write about our breakfast this morning. That was fun.
Perfect. See? Homework is not so scary. You can do everything.
You're right, Mom. Thank you for helping me. I feel much better now.
That's what I'm here for. Now finish your math and then start the sentences.
Okay, I'll finish everything before dinner, I promise.
Dad, can we watch TV now? My homework is all done.
Good job, Lily. Yes, let's watch TV together. What do you want to watch?
Can we watch the animal show? I love the animal show.
The animal show sounds good to me. Mom, is that okay with you?
Of course. I like the animal show too. Let me sit down. Move a little, Lily. Here, Mom, sit next to me. Now we are all together on the sofa.
This is my favorite time of the day. All three of us, together.
Me too, Dad. Oh, look, the show is starting. It's about elephants tonight.
Oh, elephants. They're such beautiful animals.
Mom, did you know elephants never forget anything? Their memory is very good.
Really? Who told you that?
My teacher told me today at school. Elephants have a very big memory.
That's amazing. You learned something new today and now you are teaching us.
Yes, now I am the teacher. Listen to me, Mom and Dad.
Okay. We are listening, Teacher Lily.
Good. Now watch quietly. The show is on.
Lily, bath time, come on. The water's ready.
Already? But Mom, I'm not that dirty today.
Lily, you played outside in the garden today. You need a bath.
Okay. Is the water warm?
Yes, it's nice and warm, just how you like it. Come on, get in.
Ooh, it feels so warm and nice. I like bath time, actually.
A minute ago, you didn't want to come. Now you like it.
The water is just so warm and cozy, Mom.
Good. Now use the soap and wash everywhere. Arms, legs, face.
I know. I do this every day, Mom.
I know you do, just making sure. Do you need shampoo for your hair?
Yes, please. Can you help me with my hair? I don't like shampoo in my eyes.
Of course. Close your eyes tight. I'll pour the water slowly.
Okay, eyes closed. Ready.
Here it comes. All done. See? No shampoo in your eyes.
Thank you, Mom. All clean now. I feel so fresh and nice.
Good girl. Here's your towel. Dry yourself and put on your pajamas.
Okay, I love my pajamas. They're so soft and warm.
Good morning, Biscuit. Are you hungry? I think you're hungry. Lily, it's time to feed Biscuit. It's your job, remember? I know, Mom. I always feed Biscuit. I never forget. Good. Where is his food? Do you know? Yes, his food is in the cupboard, the small blue bag. I'll get it. Good memory. How much does he eat in the morning? 1 cup. Just 1 cup of food. And then I give him water, too. That's right. You remember everything. You are a very good pet owner. Biscuit is my best friend. Of course I remember. Here you go, Biscuit. Look at him eat. He is so happy. He is always happy when it's food time. He wags his tail so fast. Yes, he does. And after he eats, what do? I give him fresh water. I wash his bowl and put clean water in it. Perfect. You take such good care of him, Lily. I love Biscuit so much. He is part of our family. He really is, and he loves you too. Look at him. He's sitting right next to your feet. I see him. Good boy, Biscuit. Good boy.
Mom, I'm packing my school bag for tomorrow. I'm doing it tonight.
Oh, that's very smart, Lily. It's always good to pack the night before.
Yes, in the morning it's too fast. Tonight I can do it slowly.
What do you need for tomorrow, do you know?
Let me think. I have math class, English class, and art class.
So what do you need?
My math book, my English book, and my art supplies, pencils and colors.
Good. What about your pencil case? Is it in your bag?
Oh, I almost forgot my pencil case. Let me put it in now.
And your library book? You need to return your library book tomorrow.
Yes, the library book. Thank you for remembering, Mom. I almost forgot that too.
That's why we check everything the night before. Now, is everything in?
Let me check one more time. math book, English book, art supplies, pencil case, library book. Yes, everything is in.
Well done. Now put your bag by the door so you don't forget it in the morning.
Good idea. By the door. Done. I'm ready for tomorrow.
You are so organized tonight. I'm proud of you.
Thank you, Mom. I just want tomorrow morning to be easy and not rushed.
Smart girl. Now come and get ready for bed.
How was it? I hope this story helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. What does Lily eat for breakfast? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. Even one simple sentence is perfect. By writing in English, you can improve your skills. On this channel, I share slow and easy English conversations to help beginners build listening and speaking confidence. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to leave a comment with your answer. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.